Because the screen in the cinema is a two-dimensional flat surface, it is necessary to photograph everything from an angle from which most of the subject's surfaces are visible to the camera. To simplify things, we choose a simple small square with which we will explain the theory. If we understand the photograph of a square, we can correctly photograph any object or subject. A small block, we know it has 6 surfaces, but looking at it straight, the only thing we can see is 1. As we move the camera to one side, we discover a better angle from which we see 2 surfaces. When the camera is lifted a little, we see 3 out of the 6 surfaces. The more we move the camera, we soon discover that regardless of where we place it, we cannot have a better image of the square. Under these conditions, this is the best we can do, so this is our best angle, and the image must be photographed from this position. And this theory applies the same way to a sphere and any object. The sphere appears two-dimensional when illuminated from the front, but when we move the light and it hits from the side, we see that the curvature of the object begins to show. As soon as we raise the light a little higher, at a 45-degree angle, and the background is also illuminated a bit, we can see even better the depth of the object, its curves, and its shape. The more surface of an object is visible, the better the image will be.